Attract is the first stage of our ACDR. Attract. You need to attract your prospects. Attraction is all about how you basically get people in, how you hook them in, how you get their interest, how you get them to listen to you, how you get them to have attention for you. You know, every sales professional in the world knows that once you want to get people's attention, they're more likely to listen to you. But it comes with specific techniques, because those techniques will help you to really get those eyeballs and those ears facing towards you. And it all has to do with attraction. You know, attraction is basically the smooth process in getting that little bit of interest, and by you talking, you increase that desire. And once the desire is high enough, you can start connecting with people to the next stage. But without attraction, it doesn't happen. You know, it can be something very simple as an elevator pitch, right? And a one sentence that kind of explains in what you do. Or it can be something like a hook, a small hook, like I help people that do what? It can be a small hook so that people start paying attention to you. Again, don't go deep into presentation mode. Don't go deep into connection mode. Without attracting people first, all of these other points will not matter. Understand that with attraction, you can increase the interest of people, and people will only be interested for a very short while. So as you are increasing that interest, you want to also increase the desire for people. And as you increase the desire, that is where you are allowed to take action. So attract first, and then you only go to the next step. What is connect? Do me a huge favor and also go to our university, where we teach more about the ACDR and way more things about communication, building rapport, and so many other stuff. So go to the link below where you can find everything about our beautiful university. And now you can go to see what is basically connect.